Yeah, so this tutorial series will be a bit different. It's not actually a tutorial series. Like this video series will be a bit different. Uh, what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna be creating my portfolio website. Uh, like creating means both the design and development. Like I had a portfolio website. Wait a minute, let me show you. Here it is. So I had a portfolio website. This was created like I'm not even sure, like a couple of years ago. Uh, I just created this in a hurry, nothing really uh, exciting here, very little micro interactions, not really something to be proud of that much, I wouldn't say. Uh, I created this in a hurry a couple of 3 or 4 years ago. And I don't think I ever had a real portfolio website. I always had my work on X, and I never really wanted to go through the trouble of creating a portfolio website. You see, like most of the time, this is even a joke in the design sphere that most designers like will create anything, will start any side project. But when it comes to their portfolio website, like it's very hard to start and even harder to finish. So today I'm gonna be starting. Hopefully, I'm gonna be finishing. So this series will be divided into two parts. The first part is where we are going to be designing the actual uh, website, and the second part will be where we actually develop it through code. I'm not sure what tech stack I'm going to be using. Currently, I'm really thinking to use Next.js with GSAP primarily. We'll see what I decide on. Maybe I'm going to use Svelte, which seems interesting, and I've worked with it lately. So with SvelteKit, we'll see. But today we're going to be starting on the design. Let me just rename this Figma file my portfolio. My portfolio. Yeah, that seems good enough. And where do we start? I really haven't considered it. Let's start with the page structure and the website structure. Like, first, let's start from the sitemap. What I'm thinking here is to have, obviously, we're going to be having a landing page. We're going to be having a landing page. Uh, and we're going to be having like a call to action. A call to action, just basically some place where people could insert their email and send it. We would have that, and obviously, since this is a portfolio website, I'm going to be showcasing my work. So I'm going to be having uh, one page to show all my work, or is it better to put it in the landing page? Hmm. You might have noticed that I don't really have any pre-recorded ideas here. This is like I just decided to build my portfolio website, and I just thought like to share it, to vlog it, every part of it. So yeah, I don't really know how this is gonna go. But I know I'm gonna have a landing page and a contact page. Uh, from then on, I'm not sure. Maybe it's better if we could uh, like map this. I'm gonna go to create a FigJam file. Let's just rename. Okay, let's finish loading and my portfolio. Uh, this is prep, just a prep file. Yeah, and okay, obviously we know that we start from a landing page. I haven't used this for a long time. I don't remember how to make a sitemap. Okay, I think it was like this. Let's drag out a circle. Yeah. So this will be the landing page. We have a landing page that we would, from the landing page, there are a couple of places we could go. The primary place being uh, call to action CTA page. Okay, from the landing page, we could also, now here's what's troubling me. Like, there are two approaches we can take. One is to showcase all my work on my landing page, and the other is to show like a couple of snapshots of my works on the landing page, and transition that to a separate page where I can show all of my work. I'm not sure which method I want to follow. I'm really not sure. Uh, I want to take inspiration from a website here. Just give me a minute here. Uh, this website, it's pretty old. This was like, I don't even remember, like 7, 8 years ago, this website. But like, this is one of the best portfolio websites I know, like in terms of practicality. Some issues still, like too much text here, I would say. But practically, this is one of the websites I really like. This one of my favorite websites, period. It's called olaolu.dev. I think he, sorry for that. I think this guy works at Shopify now. Uh, I'm not sure. I'm really not sure. I think he works at Shopify, but like, this is one of the best websites. I always come to this website for inspiration. And how did he present? Okay, he, for example, has his work on a separate page. Like, this is not the style I want to go for. The style I want to go for is more like trendy, with like super high level animations and just uh, like interactions and stuff like that. But like, this could also work. Like, there are also two ways we can handle the actual page, the actual website design language. One could be very animation heavy and very interactive. Uh, there was another website. Yeah, I Dennis. I'm not sure how to. I'm not sure how to pronounce his name, but I really like this website as well. Uh, how does he, like, this is one of the other ways. So these two websites are the two types of website I'm considering. One is very structured, and one is animation heavy and trendy, like this. Uh, this website is cool too. Like, how is he showing his work? I'm really thinking to do something like this. I know people in terms of UX don't really like this, uh, but like, in terms of showing your uh, quality as a designer slash developer, uh, like, this is one of the things like most hiring managers look for. Uh, I'm really liking their interactions here. So this is another. Uh, okay, so here, like, he, for example, has his primary work laid out like this. Then he has a page for more work. Uh, yeah, this is like exactly what I was looking for. I'm really considering this. Yeah, okay, so I've just decided on this. Let's just add another page for work or portfolio. Just to make it more clear, I'm going to say work so that it doesn't get really hard to understand. Okay. Okay. So from work, we would have a single work. Like, for example, here, if you click on view, I think it takes you to, yeah, a case study for that specific work he did. Bit blurry of an image here, but it's just a case study. I think, okay, it's a showcase. Okay, he has a separate case study for it. Hey, okay, this is another website. He's just showing, he's just showcasing the actual design in different forms. I was thinking to have a case study, but like thinking of most people, hiring managers don't really want to read through case study. That's from my experience. I've seen that most people just look at the vibes and stuff and don't really look at the case study. And this is very cool concept here that he did, just to show. Is this following my mouse? Or okay. Yeah, I'm not gonna do exactly as he did here. I think there could be better ways of showing this, but definitely like I think it's better to have specific work. So here I'm gonna say works and another page for just a work, single work. Okay. So 4 pages, I think, and like obviously always you have to make sure that there is a connection to the call to action page, but I'm not gonna include it in the Figure file here, not to be messy. Uh, yeah, so these are the pages pretty much. Uh, I think I'm happy with this page structure if I'm not missing anything really. Am I missing something? Yeah, from the landing page to works, to a specific work, to the call to action. Obviously, I'm putting a call to action page here, just under the landing page, just because I want to indicate that this is one of the primary pages. So from anywhere in the website, I can just go here. Uh, Missing anything here? Let's just check his website out. Something I like I should include. Yeah, how is he doing like the contact? Because I've seen some people use forms. Okay, okay, he's doing pretty much the same thing that people are doing. I like the interactivity here so much. What I'm thinking is like in the front end, sorry, in the back end side of things, I could have, not sure what I would have. I could have a Firebase server database using Firestore, and just send inputs there. Then I could just take their email from there and just contact them myself. Uh, yeah, yeah, I think that's better. So that's the idea, like my idea. Obviously, we haven't done much designing here except decide on the page structure, uh, user flow. Yeah, so pretty much that's all for today. Yeah, I'm not gonna be I'm not gonna be doing this fast because I have some jobs to do at the side. I just want to do this uh, side by side, so maybe 1 or 2 episodes per day on YouTube. So yeah, subscribe to not miss it, I guess. So obviously this might be disappointing for some of you, but you can't really just get into designing without thinking of anything. Uh, some people can, some really talented people can probably, but you have to plan a couple of things out, like the page structure. You have to know what you're getting inspired from. And there are a couple of websites, not only this, like these two are the primary website I'm considering for my inspiration, but like like throughout this series, I'm gonna be going to Dribble and seeing what I like, and you're gonna be seeing the full process, like no cuts at all. Um, yeah, so that's all I want to say. I'm gonna be having more videos on this series coming soon. So yeah, stay tuned.